Ishmael Chakurongerwa, popularly known as Madzibaba Ishmael, the leader of the Johan Masowe Penyeranyika sect, was slapped with fresh charges when he appeared again at the Norton Magistrate Court. Sadapina mashoko aiwa munaudza buda nhasi dzavhundutsa vanhu vazhinji nhau ya Madzibaba Ishmael ndokuti bva subscribe like kuti na on the bell icon. Zanonyegwa ichinzi Chakurongerwa 54 was arrested several weeks ago together with other 7 members of his sect. They were charged with violating the Burial and Children Act respectively. He is now facing 5 counts of having sexual intercourse with a minor. Prosecutors allege that Chakurongerwa engaged in sexual relations with the 5 minors between 2018 and 2024. These are: number 1, 15-year-old, resulting in the birth of an infant; number 2, 13-year-old, resulting in the birth of 1 infant; number 3, 14-year-old, with whom he now has 2 children; number 4, 15-year-old, with whom he has a child; number 5, 16-year-old, resulting in the birth of another infant. Chakurongerwa was last week granted bail by the High Court after spending almost 2 months in remand prison on previous charges. Apart from an order to deposit $1,000 with clerk of court Norton Magistrate Court, the High Court also barred Chakurongerwa from conducting any church gatherings anyway until the matter is finalized. Ndo mashoko ari kubuda aiwa achizonzi azobhadhara $1,000 pamwe chete nekubhaniwa kuti arege kuita zvekuconducta machurch services aya. Saka ndimbotudzai munori kudii pamusoro penhau iyi. Pinai comment section medu dzemafungiro enyu. Subscribe, like, turn on the bell icon.